Thank you so much.
Stop eating my brain, don't show me your face again.
कोई पण बोलले हे म्हाका फुटून फुटून कालीच तुटून हाताला पसोडले पायण्यान दोलोयता म्हणून बेश्टे मोडले लागता हे कोणाय कोई पण बोलले हे म्हाका फुटून फुटून कालीच तुटून हाताला पसोडले मोगा जाल्ले बेजाम म्हजो गोडाचो पाव म्हाका सोडशी तर जीव दितलो हांव म्हाका पळयलोलो वर्सां मोग जालोलो गेल्या मार्चान आजून पळोवना हांवें मोगाची गोडसाण मोगान पळय वयता पाव मोगान जायते बाये गोडता केन्ना नाचता केन्ना रडटा नुस्तें तुवें हांवें सोदून मारून घरादार जाय तूं तुज्या मोगा पिसो जाला
Back in time, I'd hold you close every night. A little fight and then some fighting very wild.
Gonna hold on you
You're out of your mind.
तुझ्या खातीर रायलो जायला तांबाय म्हाका देखताना तूं सांगताय गोडाय
Oh, stop it.
तुज्या मोगा पिसो जाला हांव कितें करूं I keep running
In this monsoon season, this is the festival being celebrated all over Goa, and for that matter, São João the Baptist, who basically led the way for Jesus the Saint for baptism, अशे सगळे मानता. As against this background, you know this festival is celebrated with great religious fervor, and even though it is Saint John the Baptist, people from all communities come together and they like celebrating this festival because you dance in the rain. It is part of our culture, and it shows the care for nature. When it rains, brings down the water, it cools the earth, so everything looks greener. A better environment is built up. Same way in life, I think Saint John the Baptist promotes better life, rejuvenation and happiness all around with good natural beauty for everyone to see, and that is what it should promote. Goa is known for all this as it is, and such festivals bring people together. म्हणून हे खूब आनी खूब म्हत्वाचें जावन आसा की सगळे लोक हे फेस्ताक एक जातात आनी सगळे आमचे यूथ जे बोगमाळोचे आसात ते फुडें सरून आमचे सगळे पंचायतीचे वांगडी सरपंच आनी बाकीचे सगळे मेळून हे बरें फेस्त हांगा बोगमाळे तेणी घडोवन हाडला तांकां हांव उनुनीत परबी दिता.
थँक्यू
फेस्टिवला बद्दल आणि तेजे बद्दल काय उलयना. सराक हांव मनांतल्यान देव बरो करूं मानता म्हणटा कित्याक हो फेस्टिवल जावप आमकां हातबोट भरपूर दिल्ले आसा सरान. सराचे हे आमकां फुडें सुद्दां जाय आमकां हेल्प, आनी आमी सद्दांच सरा वांगडा आसतले हें हांव जाहीर करता, आनी आमी बोकमाळकार स्थान रावतले सरा वांगडा. सो आमकां हेजे फुडें सुद्दां सराचो खूब अधिकार जाय पडटलो हे बाकीचे फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करपाक.
सांगपा सोदता सांजा वांगडा
ओके आयज हांव काळजान दिनवासता सराक कित्याक आयज तो ना जाल्यार हो इव्हेंट केसो जावपाक तो आमकां भरपूर आदार दिला. इवन आमगे जनरल मॅनेजर MD आमगेली मिस साधना मुकुंदन तेन आमकां भरपूर हो वेन्यू दिला आनी फुलना पाकडी. हांव सरा काळजान थँक्यू म्हणटा आनी सदां हांव जाणा तो आमकां सदां हेल्प करतलो आनी आमी सदां पावतो म्हणतो. थँक्यू.
यूथ आनी स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान आयोजीत केल्लो सांजा आयच्या दिसा हांगासर सेलिब्रेट करता, आनी आमचो सराचो एका भरपूर तेंको मेळ्ळो आसा. त्या निमतान हांगासर सगळ्या गांवच्या लोकांक तशा गोंयभरच्या लोकांक सांजा फेस्ताची परबी दिता.
I would say I think it is something very great of all these young youth to keep this tradition alive. You know, it's so important to keep them alive, otherwise all these traditions kind of wear off. And I would say all the best to them, and may they keep, have many more such events happening in the village. And we can see a good crowd and the rains are also there to give their blessings. So I think that's the best part of it.
They have always been claiming that you've given them extensive support this time. So, how do you look at that, madam?
I feel I always like to do a good deed, and this is something for a good cause. So if I can do it, then why not?
Thank you, madam.
Thank you,
Thank
madam.
you.
Actually, this festival is on the 24th of June. Every year it's celebrated. This year we are having it on the 23rd here, organized by the Sports and Cultural Club of Mado. And I thank Sir Marvin Vidino for supporting them, for being with them. He's done this in the past and he's done it again now, and he does it every time. Thank you, sir, for all your support. And this festival is actually not only for Catholics but the entire community of Goa. The different community people get together and celebrate this. So it's actually one of the well celebrated festival in Goa.